Okay, 10 minutes is past. So we've waited for our yeast to rise. So this is what it looks like when it rises. Yeah, as you can see, it's rise totally. So what we must do here is mix this flour to the yeast. Let's mix it. Mix it all together until the water dissolves on the flour, and we will be kneading this for about 10 minutes. You can use your hands. I wash my hands first. So to knead this properly, we will be using our cutting board here. So I have my cutting board in here. I ordered this from Lazada. This is pretty cool. And I also forgot to tell you about my digital thermometer. I ordered this from Lazada too. So we'll transfer here now.